Yo, what's good? It's your boy Mari, back with another video. We are on the account that's 580. We at $580 right now. Trying to get back positive. We're neutral first, which is 700. So we're trying to get back to the original balance we put in here. We're doing the same strategy we've been using. We using 2.5% of this account. It's 14. My bad, y'all. Just woke up like an hour ago. But yeah, man, we finna get to it, bro. Same strategy, like I said, we've been using. Yeah, let's get it. We trying to get 700, like I said, so we are $120 away. So we almost there. Once we get there, we gonna get it back popping.
Get in my feelings and hit the booth, I let my soul bleed. Get in my feelings and hit the booth, I let my soul bleed.
They're one-on-one people.
Got in my feelings and hit the yo, I let my soul bleed. I been going hard, I been tryna ball, I went like 0-3. And I done lost my patience for this shit, it ain't no holding me. Just me and D, 4 walls, I promise you, it ain't no other peak. Gotta stand for son, or you fall for nothing. I'm going out like my daddy's son. Been waiting on it, cause it more to come. Last year I was in the slump. Niggas hatin', won't give me nothing. Look the ad, left, right, the button. Don't know no Andre Drum, it bang rolling, I'ma keep on thumbing. Shit like, man, bro, we tryna find a way, shit. We had to hit the shit with this shit. Get up off your ass, go get a bag. We need like 2 or more. We flippin' cat, we livin' fat. My white boy say he want his own. 1600 just for the strong. That's $100 on the O. Put a joke, a car won't be the joke. Won't play around, might cut your throat. I'm too real, I don't need a war. I do it again, ain't got no score. Take care of my family, get you anything you want and plus some more. I say, how about now we riding? Tell me what the vibe is. Pull up, I don't give a fuck, we gone. Lately I been high up in my spaceship, chillin' with the aliens. I don't never think about coming home. I say, how about now we riding? Tell me what the vibe is. Pull up, I don't give a fuck, we gone. Lately I been high up in my spaceship, chillin' with the aliens. I don't never think about coming home. Fast forward, now we getting this shit in for cheap. Move fast, I'm smooth smart. Get up off your ass, go get a bag. We need like 2 or more. We flippin' cat, we livin' fat. My white boy say he want his own. 1600 just for the strong. That's $100 on the O. Pull a joke, a car won't be the joke. Won't play around, might cut your throat. I'm too real, I don't need a war. I do it again, ain't got no score. Take care of my family, get you anything you want and plus some more. I say, how about now we riding? Tell me what the vibe is. Pull up, I don't give a fuck, we gone. Lately I been high up in my spaceship, chillin' with the aliens. I don't never think about coming home. I say, how about now we riding? Tell me what the vibe is. Pull up, I don't give a fuck, we gone. Lately I been high up in my spaceship, chillin' with the aliens. I don't never think about coming home.
If it go down to that, and then it going back up, see what I'm talking about, bro? Yo, if it fall down to this second green line, we're gonna take another one. If it don't, then we're just gonna move on to the next pair. Try to find something else. Again, a pair is basically these right here. AUD, CAD, ERJPY, the different things we are trading. They'll call it a pair because it's a pair of 2 different currencies. So that's what I mean when I say that. So y'all won't be lost.
I've been counting all day, had my fucking fingers broke. I done weighed it up and broke it down, this shit more than the OZ, I just like to smoke. Pour me up some more. I can't get no love from it, turn around the streets cold. Looking over my shoulder, nigga, tryna dodge the Rico. Took it hand like Uncle Ice, I got shit that's in this cup, I pour it right over my ice. And you can come and test your luck, I got some that shoot down the board. They ask me how I'm living, nigga, I'm like Giannis chasing book. They ask me how I deal with her, honestly can't get enough. I got codeine in my cup, I pour it up. I feel I can't get enough. Can't get them off me, nigga. Why you walking with a limp? This big ass 40 pistol. Make them all get in line, don't play no games, ain't with no touching, nigga. It's hard to choose one out the group, they all be fucking with me. Can't be like me, I'm popping shit, I ain't no small fry. Can't do what I do, I be popping shit at all high. That nigga ain't like me, get your back up, this ain't about your side. That girl my only one, don't care nothing about the other side. Care nothing about no other guy. It's hard to choose one out the group, they all be fucking with me. Make them all get in line, don't play no games, ain't with no touching, nigga. Why you walking with a limp, this big ass 40 pistol? Can't get them off me, nigga. Can't get them off me, nigga. Yeah, that bitch.
Every day, make money and bread.
I swag and send my eye to the bank. These niggas be broke, can't make no deposit. Pocket stick on overload, can't fit my phone inside my pocket. I'm young nigga, watch how I pop it, delete them. Try me and don't pop and beat them. This shit sound like rocket. I'm in the box, hell yeah, no stalking. 24 hour whole day, I'm clocking. I go sun up, chase the sun down, whatever it takes, just come with something. And you can't come around if you ain't got no paper, you ain't got shit in motion. I had my foot down, I right in the door. They let me in on coming. That building paint had built a monster. I got my 10, don't need no drummer. I stay with a drummer, don't need no drummer. Yeah, I'm on the way if it's something about money. I'm feeling like Pluto got rest on the cover. She said that I love her, but I cannot trust her. The back end on me and making me look. I got all the lie, these niggas on hood. One step back, carry this shit on flood. Flexing with your pot, pay low to the ground, little boy, you funny. Before I do that, I go crash out in my own shit, nigga. Ain't going out running. Can't go out bad, hell no, can't go out bad. I do this shit with on them. Punching with taste, showing how I'm coming. 100 bands, fuck up the summer. 100 pounds, get about a mile. One call for me and I can get them around. If you heard of PZ, I can ship them out. Had to move smooth, I had to switch the spot. Yeah, I'm cool on them when I peep the plot. Break the break, I don't care what they breaking out. I don't even know jewelry or chain, I'm feeling the same. I tell you I'm shining out. I swag and send my eye to the bank. These niggas be broke, can't make no deposit. Pocket stick on overload, can't fit my phone inside my pocket. I'm young nigga, watch how I pop it, delete them. Try me and don't pop it, beat them. This shit sound like rocket. I'm in the box, hell yeah, no stopping. 24 hour whole day I'm clocking. I go sun up, chase the sun down, whatever it takes, just come with something. And you can't come around if you ain't got no paper, you ain't got shit in motion. I had my foot down, I right in the door. They let me in on coming. That building paint had built a monster.
Let's see, maybe we can just. Wait. Time too. Time. Maybe we can win this one. Cause I don't see nothing else.
I go sun up, chase the sun down, whatever it takes, just come with something. And you can't come around if you ain't got no paper, you ain't got shit in motion. I had my foot down, I right in the door. They let me in on coming. That building paint had built a monster.
Quick learning lesson real quick. I about to say usually, honestly, when it's a candle like this and a long red one right after it, I just peep after I took the trade. The next candle usually fall down, so that's something I really should have like paid attention to. But I'm just taking the trade because I'm trying to make the money. But that's something I should have paid attention to. So that's a learning lesson right there. We still possibly might get it. 3, 2,
all I do
1.
is chase money. Bro say bring a chase. No scared money, don't make money. So what you want, honey? Put my life up on the line for this shit. No, I can get 100. I can easily go from boat to butter.
They
To
doing
send the
it
kind of
dirty,
dummies.
bro.
So these niggas can't consider them.
my
Really think
God,
they
they
funny. My
doing
brother
it
done
dirty.
shit
What
aboard the
you
run. He
mean?
bought like Sean Kemp. And please don't ask nobody anything, cause they know I'm bad bitch. You
know y'all
know with
seen
the ring.
that
I
shit,
can't
bro.
right now. I'm pimping. Got mad love for
How
all
you
my
gon- how
family,
you
my
gon-
brothers and my sisters. Can't play no slimy shit. Won't
Make
stay
it
no
above
dumb. Nigga, you
and
ain't no
then
miss.
get
And if I
zero.
want you, know I'm coming to get you. I don't need to do no
Man,
this.
come
Kicking
on,
shit
that was
in
a bullshit.
L1s.
Ain't
No, I
no
never had a
both
voice.
of them.
He's really one of the one. Plus, I never had a choice. He can't come outside right now. Hit more and let him jump. I can hit it, bitch, too fast. Make sure it be in the sport. I might just buy you a bag of baby girl. You just too good. And I don't sold a couple bags and now nigga can't start. 17 on me right now. You play with me, you play for keep. And I was built for this. Straight out that jungle. They pray for what they eat. Tell he ain't built for this. I gave him 4. He couldn't even bring back 3. Still got that wedding ring. I gave it to the streets. It married me. I'm on the floor with this. Can't let my brother do me like you need. I stay with dog shit. It fell up on the floor. Got on my cleats. Want us to all win. Could give a fuck if the front one wasn't me. And plus we all spend. We all just won. Play this shit to see. I stand on all 10 with 33 before the day I peak. Patch pocket. Nothing too, but on the one I got the plug for all the sight. I been the fool before. Play with me. Can't let you pull my call. I do is chase money. Bro say bring a chase. No scared money. Don't make no money. So what you want, honey? Put my life up on the line for this shit. No, I can get 100. I can easily go from boat to bummy to send the kind of dummy.